Selena dance.
That's not Selena dance.
What?
That's not Selena dance. That was Running Man.
And no, I didn't.
The Selena dance goes something different than Running. Do it again then.
No. You told me it's not Selena dance.
Then do the Selena dance, which you think it is.
Come back me over here. Where's it? What? The pole. Pick it up. A pole. There's a pole here somewhere. Are you picking up in the ground? I'm wearing a tiny one. Yes. Very. So did you dump in a pole? Okay, I found it. I found the pole. Daddy,
Oh, she's fun to watch.
Ow! I need a hug.
Don't you dare.
No. I'd be mad at you. You know, hugs are good and everything. No, there are times when hugs are bad.
Big wet hug.